The human respiratory system. Respiratory system is what controls breathing. It brings in the oxygen your body needs and gets rid of the carbon dioxide that is left over. Parts of the respiratory system. 1. Nose. Provides airway, moistens and warms air, filters air, resonating chamber for speech. 2. Pharynx, commonly called the throat. It connects the nose with the windpipe. 3. Larynx, 3 functions, a. Produces vocalizations, speech. B. Provides an open airway, breathing. C. Switching mechanism to route air and food into proper channels. Closed during swallowing, open during breathing. 4. Trachea. The trachea is commonly called the windpipe. 5. Bronchus. The trachea branches into 2 tubes, the bronchi, inside the lungs. Each bronchus continues to branch and rebranch until it is very small. Each tube finally ends in a tiny air sac called an alveolus, plural, alveoli. 6. Lungs are 2 upside-down, cone-shaped organs inside the chest. The purposes of the lungs are to bring oxygen into the body and to remove carbon dioxide. 7. Alveoli. Alveoli are the air sacs that allow gas exchange in the lungs. 8. Diaphragm, a large muscle that lies flat at the bottom of the chest cavity. The diaphragm aids in breathing by moving up and down. Inhale, the diaphragm muscle contracts. Moves the diaphragm down and expands the chest cavity. The ribs move up and increase the size of the cavity. More space and less air pressure inside the lungs. Air pushes in from the outside where there is lower air pressure. Exhale, the diaphragm muscle relaxes. The diaphragm and ribs return to their original place. The chest cavity returns to its original size. Less space and greater air pressure inside the lungs. Caring your respiratory system. You should take care of your respiratory system because if you don't, you won't be able to breathe. Using drugs can keep your brain from telling your lungs to breathe. Smoking can make your lungs turn black and not work well. Breathing clean air is healthiest for you. Exercise keeps your lungs strong. Amazing facts about the respiratory system: your right lung has 3 lobes and your left lung only has 2. The right lung is a little larger than the left lung. A person sleeping almost always breathes 12 or 15 times a minute. The exhaling rate is faster in kids than in adults. The trachea is made out of cartilage-shaped rings. The fastest recorded sneeze speed is 165 km per hour. It is healthier to breathe through your nose than your mouth, because your nose hairs and mucus clean the air.